Hi, I'm Leo.
Welcome to White Eagle.
Sometimes we need to visit the hospital. Let's learn simple words for talking about health and doctors.
These words are important.
We all get sick sometimes.
It is normal.
When you feel unwell, know what to do. Today, I talk about my hospital visit. I felt a little sick yesterday. I share my experience. I teach you simple English words. These words help you talk about health.
Today started different.
I woke up. I did not feel good. My head hurt. My throat felt sore. I felt very tired. I thought, oh no, I feel sick. It is not a good feeling. It is okay to feel tired. It is okay to feel sick. Many people feel sick sometimes. I knew I needed to do something. I drank water. I tried to rest, but I still felt bad. I thought, maybe I need a doctor. Listen to your body. My body told me, Leo, you need help. I decided to go to the hospital. The hospital is for sick people. Doctors work there. Nurses work there too. I called the hospital. I made an appointment. An appointment is a time to see the doctor. I went to the hospital. I walked into the big building. It was important. I checked in at the front desk. A nice person helped me. She asked my name. She asked my appointment time. I waited in the waiting room. Many people waited there. It is okay to feel nervous. I felt a little nervous. Soon, a nurse called my name. Leo, she said. It was my turn. I went to a room. This room is for seeing the doctor. It is an examination room. I sat on a chair. I waited for the doctor. This is the first step. You go to the hospital. You see the doctor. The doctor came in. She was a kind doctor. She smiled. She said, "Hello, Leo. How are you?" I told her, "Hello, doctor. I am not well." She asked, "What is wrong? How do you feel?" I needed to explain. This is very important. Use simple words. I said, "My head hurts." I pointed to my head. I have a headache. I also said, "My throat is sore." I pointed to my throat. I have a sore throat. And I said, I feel very tired. I have no energy. I told her everything. It is okay to say, I feel bad. It is okay to say, I have pain. The doctor needs to know. She listened carefully. She understood me. It felt good to tell her. It's okay to share your feelings. You are not alone when you feel sick. The doctor helps you. Remember these words: headache, sore throat, tired. After I explained, the doctor checked me. This means she looked at my body. She used some tools. First, she took my temperature. She put a small thing under my tongue. It tells if I have a fever. A fever means your body is too hot. My temperature was a little high. So, I had a small fever. Then she looked in my throat. She used a light. She said, "Yes, your throat is red." She listened to my chest. She used a stethoscope. It helps her hear my heart and lungs. She said, "Breathe deep, Leo." I breathed in. I breathed out. She also checked my ears. She looked in my nose. She pressed on my stomach. She asked, "Does this hurt?" I said, "No, doctor." She was very gentle. She was thorough. This is what doctors do. They check your body. They want to help you get better. She finished checking me. She said, "Okay, Leo, I know what is wrong." The doctor understood my sickness. She said, "Leo, you have a common cold." A common cold makes your throat sore and your head hurt. It makes you tired. It is not serious, but it still makes you feel bad. She said, "I will give you some medicine." Medicine helps you feel better. She wrote on paper. This paper is a prescription. I need to take this prescription to a pharmacy. A pharmacy is a shop for medicine. The pharmacist works there. The pharmacist gives you medicine. The doctor told me, "Take this medicine 2 times a day. Take it with food." She also said, "Drink a lot of water. Get a lot of rest." It is good to get medicine. Medicine helps your body fight sickness. It helps you get well. I felt happy to get medicine. It meant I would feel better soon. After the hospital, I went to the pharmacy. I gave my prescription. The pharmacist
gave me the medicine. I went home. I remembered the doctor's advice. She said, rest, drink water, take medicine. I started to follow her advice. I took my first medicine dose. I drank a big glass of water. I lay down on my bed. I tried to sleep. It is very important to follow the doctor's advice. If you follow the advice, you get better faster. If you do not, you might stay sick longer. I wanted to feel well again. So I followed everything the doctor said. This is how you get healthy. Listen to the doctor. Do what they say. It helps your body heal. Now, it is the next day. I feel much better. My headache is gone. My throat feels good. I am not tired. The medicine helped me. The doctor helped me. I am thankful for doctors and nurses. They help many people. It is important to know these words. Doctor, hospital, medicine, medicine, sick, headache, sore throat, tired. These words help you talk about your health. Remember, it's okay to feel unwell. It's okay to go to the doctor. It's okay to ask for help. Everyone needs help sometimes. You are not alone in this. I hope these simple words help you.